If you are a medical student or an aspiring medical student, then you will have an idea about the volume of information that we need to memorize as medical students in order to be successful in our various exams. So I am an international medical grad, and I recently was successful in the United States medical licensing exams that qualifies me to become a resident physician in the United States. And throughout my medical school, I've had to study a lot of information, read several textbooks, but at the end, eventually, I have to be able to memorize all the information that I studied over 6 years in order to be able to pass the medical licensing exams of the US, which is the USMLE. So I took my USMLE Step 1 last year, 2021, and I took the Step 2 this year, and I implemented this method of memorizing information that I want to share with you in this video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel for future videos. So let me go straight to the strategies that I used. So if you are a medical student, if you are a nursing student, if you're writing MCAT or any exams that needs you to study a vast amount of information in order to be able to pass, then this video is for you. You want to watch it to the end. So when I started my medical school, there are times that we write notes, we read textbooks, we do annotations, but I want to tell you in this video that that time of writing notes is past and gone. Like, you don't have to do that anymore. There are fast and quick strategies that we use, and it even saves you time from writing notes, So this method that I used helps in spaced repetition, and so it is called the Anki. I used Anki flashcards most of my Step 2 and Step 1, and it's really helped me to have that spaced repetition ability, whereby when I'm doing questions and then I have that information in my flashcards, it just tells me, hey, this information is in your flashcard, and I know the answer right away because I've seen it several times. And so if you have not heard about this Anki flashcard, then you want to watch my video on how to make and then use Anki flashcard the best possible way. There are people who tell me that they don't know how to do it. In that video, you'll be able to learn that. And also, if you don't know how to take notes from it, I've put everything in the notes such that even a class 1 student will be able to understand. So you want to watch that and implement Anki flashcards in your studies, and that is the method that I use. And when I compared that to writing notes, it's better to do the Anki flashcard, because writing notes, you spend a lot of time and you are likely not to go back to the notes, because it's just like you're repeating the information from your textbook into your note. But when you have the Anki flashcards and then you make time for it, say 2 hours every day, 2 to 4 hours every day after your studies, you'll see a very great improvement in your scores or any exam that you are going to take. So thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and share this video with your friends. Make sure to watch the Anki flashcard video and you will see a great improvement. Let me know what you think about this video, and let me know what you think about Anki flashcards when you begin it. Good luck in your studies, and I wish you all the best. Bye.